Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to study how capacitor act as a filter when connected in full wave rectifier circuit. So let's begin. So let's start with the discussion. As we all know, the capacitor is reactive component, that is it reacts with the change of input signal to it. The basic function of capacitor that we know is it allows AC signal to pass through it and blocks the DC signal. To justify this statement, here we are considering the frequency of DC signal, that is 0 Hz. So as we know the standard result, that is Xc equals to 1 upon 2 pi Fc. So here we putting the frequency of DC signal. So here f equals to 0. So this equation becomes the denominator of the equation becomes 0. So this Xc becomes infinite. That is, none any component of DC is passed through the capacitor. This is the justification. Now moving towards the charging and discharging of capacitor. Let's understand with small example. Suppose consider this is a capacitor and this is another point. The best thing about capacitor is if the other point has greater charge than capacitor, then the capacitor takes its charge. This process is charging of capacitor to maintain total charge, and vice versa for the discharging. If capacitor has more charge than other component, then it gives its charge to the other component. This is discharging of capacitor. That is simply, if capacitor has more charge, then it give its charge to other component, and if it has less charge, then it takes charge from other components. This is the simple idea of charging and discharging of capacitor. Now this is enough discussion about capacitor. Now move towards the capacitor filter. So for the capacitor filter, here we are considering full wave rectifier. So as you can see, the capacitor is not connected yet. So this is a full wave rectifier, basic full wave rectifier circuit without capacitor filter. We are using this because this is convenient to study the capacitor filter. We can either use capacitor full wave rectifier or bridge rectifier, or either half wave rectifier also. So here we use full wave center tap full wave rectifier. As you can see, the center tapping is done here, over here. Here step down transformer is connected. So the output of this transformer, that is input to diode D1 and D2, is given below. This sine wave is the input to the full wave rectifier. Next is the input to the capacitor. When we connect this capacitor, that is the output of this diode D1 and D2, that is over these 2 points, the output is like this. This is the rectified output of the full wave rectifier, which is input to the capacitor filter. Now let's see how capacitor acts as a filter. So as we can see, this is the input to the full wave rectifier, and this is the input to the capacitor filter. Capacitor only. When the positive half cycle comes, that is this part, the positive half cycle comes, capacitor starts charging through this path. Capacitor starts charging through this part till the maximum voltage, that is V peak voltage, till maximum voltage, that is, consider this point as Vp. Here the positive half cycle ends and the next negative half cycle arrives. So the capacitor starts discharging through this path. But as we know the basic idea of discharging of capacitor, that is the capacitor gives its charge to the other components. Here in this case, at one side of capacitor two diodes are connected, so capacitor is unable to flow the charge through diodes because it's against the basic principles. So here the load resistor RL is connected parallelly with capacitor, so it start flowing charge through the load resistor RL. But here the value of load resistor is very high, so the capacitors will slowly discharge through this path at a particular point. Let's consider this point as point A. It realizes that the negative half cycle is over and the next positive half cycle is arrived, so it again starts charging through this path at a particular point, that is peak point Vp. Again the negative half cycle ends and next positive half cycle arrives, so the process will repeats through this path, slow discharging through this. This is the process of charging and discharging of capacitor. At the end, we get the output voltage, that is output wave, like this. This is not pure DC, this is a pulsating DC output which is due to capacitor filter connected to the full wave rectifier. The ending of this part, that is the conclusion, is when we connect the capacitor parallelly with the full wave rectifier circuit, it acts as a filter which gives us pulsating DC as output. That's it.